Hey, Shani from SpeedCubeView.com. I got a package from GAN, and I'm very curious at what this is. When the package came in, it was kind of oddly shaped to the point where I thought maybe I was getting like 5 or 6 different puzzles at the same time. We've got numbered puzzle pieces. Oh, I know what this is. So this is that like 15 block kind of thing, but it works with an app. They're calling it the Swift Block, which is their new budget line. I don't know if this is completely replacing Monster Go or just alongside it, but the Swift Block WiSlide. There's some copyright things there, but we'll just we'll pretend that that's not the case. Okay, underneath here, it's a nice unboxing, nice little setup. Let's zoom out a lot. Sorry, let's just do that. There we go. Okay, what is in here? A bag, charging cable. What is making so much noise? Couple extra caps. Definitely something's magnetic here. Let's put those back in there. Swift Warriors Quick Start Guide. So it actually knows when you finish, and it gives you ratings. So you can play offline or online where you challenge other people. It's that 15 puzzle, but if you've never done the 15 puzzle, that's the one where it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, like that. There's other versions where you try to move pieces around and get, let's say, one of them out or at this bottom. Yeah, so those fit in here. This became pretty popular in my class. I have people that at the end of the day want to pick it up and use it immediately. Okay, charging port at the bottom, that's nice. So I don't need to like find batteries. Well, that was nice. Yep, those are extra pieces. Is there any translation? Okay, how do I change languages? Don't know. It says it supports different languages. How do I get to it? Well, let's do, guess the bottom one might be settings. Ooh, stumbled upon it. Nice. Okay, so I set it up like that. Do I just pull these out? Interesting. So it knows exactly, why did I put that upside down? Let's put none of these upside down. Which way is the correct way? This. Okay, so now I press this to start. Do I have to hold it down? I thought it was just press. Oh, what am I supposed to do? Where is this supposed to go? I think this goes to the bottom, right? That's my assumption. Keep just going in circles. That is what I need to get. Okay, this is great. So next level. Ooh, I need those extra pieces. So they're not extra in case you lose them, they're extra because you sometimes need it like that. Okay, and then, looks like the first thing to do, feels like a Christmas tune. I feel like I'm gonna get a little sick of that tune though. Okay, let's open the numbered ones. Do I not get any stars for that? Was that 0 stars? Or is that saying I got 3? So let's go down. Let's go to the home page. Number. Let's do 8 puzzle. So that's how it works. So it didn't seem like it would normally fit. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I need to put it in this order though. Does it? It must know which number's which then, or else this wouldn't really work at all. So it's got to know. And 7. Okay, so make a plan first. So I want to, yeah. I'm really proud of that. That's got to be 3 stars. There's no way. I mean, I could have done that last move faster. This is great. Got language, function, brightness, volume. Let's turn the volume off. I think a little bit's okay. Wonder how long the battery lasts. Well, the battery's half charged right now. Does it say anything about the battery in here? So I'm not trying the app today. I'll do that later on. But knowing GAN, it will connect with other people fine. It looks like the app might be a little bit nicer setup than CubeStation is currently. Charging time 2 hours, battery life 15 hours. Great. Okay. So this is the WiSlide. I plan to make a video later on with more on it, using the app and doing all of that, but this is just a startup. The actual puzzle is going to come out in about a month from what I've been told, so I'll do another video then with a link to where you can get it. So for right now, get your hype going, and this is a ton of fun. I didn't really like the 8 puzzle, 15 puzzle before because I felt like, you know, wasn't super enjoyable, but this makes it much more gamified, and I will do that. So, thank you very much for watching. Thank you again for sending this over. I'll be making another video in the future with the app. Hit like, subscribe for more content in the future, and as always, stop by SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.